Hello everyone, I warmly welcome you all to my channel The PYQ Coach, and today we'll be discussing about some of the important and expected questions of Zoology Honours Semester 1 examination. So let's get started with the video. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends if you find it useful. So the first topic is Kingdom Protista, Protozoa and Metazoa. In this topic, what is generally asked is the pathogenicity of Plasmodium vivax, Entamoeba histolytica, or evolution of symmetry and segmentation of Metazoa. So out of these three topics, any one or two topic could be asked in your exam. So I would request you to prepare all the three topics of this unit 1. Then we come to unit 2, phylum Porifera. So in phylum Porifera, canal system in sponges. This topic is very important and is usually repeated after every interval, after every 1 or 2 years. This topic is repeated. So canal system in sponges is very important, especially those who are pursuing zoology honors. Then unit 3, and the topics which are marked with red are generally the topics which are asked in your long questions, and the topics which are marked with green, these are the topics which are asked in your short questions of 5 marks or 1 or 2 marks. So please prepare it accordingly. Then in unit 3, phylum Cnidaria, polymorphism, coral and coral reefs, these are two topics I would suggest you to prepare it briefly for 5 marks, or for short questions which are asked in long short topics which are asked in your long questions of 5 marks. So prepare it likewise. Then unit 4, phylum Ctenophora. So Ctenophora, general characteristics and evolutionary significance. This topic is important, and this was asked in 2018. This topic was asked in your 2018 examination. Then phylum Platyhelminths, life cycle, pathogenicity of Taenia solium and Phaseola hepatica. Very important topics. Now any one out of the two could be asked. So prepare both the topics because these are two important topics. And you can't be choosy with these two topics. So either Taenia solium can come or Phaseola hepatica. And there is no sure and certain rule that out of the two which will come. So prepare both the topics. Then we have life cycle, pathogenicity of Ascarius lumbricoids and Wuchereria bancrofti. So again, these two are very important topics, and any one of the two you can see in your paper. So prepare both to be on a safer side. Then parasitic adaptation in helminths. Now this I would suggest you to prepare for brief questions or short questions. And if you have time, you can go through all the general characteristics and classification up to classes if you have time. Otherwise, the topics which are ticked or the topics which are underlined in red are the most important topic and most expected topic for your semester 1 examination. Then we have core course 2, which is your ecology. So again, history of ecology. This is important topic, and this topic can come in your long question. Ort ecology and synecology. Prepare this as prepare this for your short questions. Then law of limiting factors, again for short question. Then we have population. This topic is important. So however, this topic does not contain topics which are very lengthy, but yeah, of course the topics which are there, which are over here, can be asked for your write short notes on like this. So prepare at least survivorship curve, natality, mortality, life table, fecundity, R&K strategies, density dependent, independent factors. So the topics which are marked with green are generally the topics which can be asked in your short question time. Then for long question, prepare ecological succession with one example. Theories pertaining to climax community, very important. These two topics are very important for your long question type. Ecotone and edge effect, you can prepare this for your short question. Species richness, again it's one of the most important topic, and it might be asked in your short question of 5 marks. Then unit 4, food chain, detritus and grazing food chain, linear and y-shaped food chain. Prepare this very thoroughly because this topic is likely to be seen in your question paper. Then we have food web, energy flow. Again, these two are very important topics. Ecological pyramids, ecological efficiency. Please don't skip these two topics. If you have time, please go through the topics. Then biogeochemical cycle, very important. Very important biogeochemical cycle. Please do not skip this topic. And ecology in wildlife conservation and management. So you're likely to see essay, like essay type question could be asked from this particular unit, that write an essay on wildlife conservation and management. These are some of the important questions, previous year questions. Yeah student, one more thing, that please do not rely on the previous year questions, because it is not necessary that these questions are going to repeat this year also. So whatever the topics which I have marked with red and green, do prepare those along with this. This topic is of ecology. So this is just for you to analyze the pattern, and I'm not claiming that the same question will be asked. So this is the reason why I have uploaded important and expected topics. Please kindly go through those topics and do not rely on these question papers, because it is not necessary that these questions are really going to come or you're really going to see this in your paper. So kindly go through those important topics also along with your previous year questions. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe the channel. If you find it useful, then please do like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you and bye.